In this video, I will show you how to recall mail in Outlook. The method is straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, recalling an email in Microsoft Outlook can be a useful feature in specific situations, but it's important to understand its limitation as well and the reasons for using it. So, one of the primary reasons to recall an email is to correct errors in the message, such as typos, incorrect attachments, or missing information. Recalling the email allows you to make the necessary edits and resend it. And also, if by any chance you accidentally send an email to the wrong recipient or to a group when it was intended for a single person, recalling the email can help prevent the unintended recipients from reading the message, right? So how do we do that? First, you're gonna log into your Microsoft account first. If you don't have one, sign up, right? Create a free account right here. And then once you've logged in to your Microsoft Outlook, here is a very helpful guide in supportmicrosoft.com, all right, on how to recall and replace a message. So in the folder pane on the left of the Outlook window right here, choose the sent items folder. Okay. Once you've choose the sent items folder here, next is open the message that you want to recall. You must double click to open the message. Selecting the message so it appears in the reading pane won't allow you to recall the message, alright? And if you have the classic ribbon, right, from the message tab here, select actions and recall this message. And if you have the simplified ribbon right here, select the message tab and then select more commands right here. Point to actions and then select recall this message, right? And that's it. That's how you recall mail in Outlook. But it's important to note that if you don't see the recall this message command, you probably don't have an Exchange account or the feature isn't available within your organization, alright? You cannot recall a message that's protected, alright? And you can't recall a message in Outlook on the web, so you have to be aware of that options, okay? And also take note that if you select delete unread copies of this message or delete unread copies and replace with a new message, and just select OK, alright? To check on the recall after submitting a recall request, usually less than 30 seconds later, you will get an email notification such as this one with the subject message recall report for message of the subject. Select the view message recall report. Link to the view report in your browser, and if you're prompted to log in with your mailbox credentials to view the report. Remember guys, recall actions are usually quick regardless of how many recipients are involved. But if the recall request can't be executed right away for some reason, they will continue to retry for up to 24 hours before marking the recall as failed. And again, you can't use recall on Outlook web, right? Status updates are usually pretty quick as well, but can sometimes take up to 5 minutes for a message with up to few hundred recipients. And for a large number of recipients to tens of thousands, the recall itself is still fast. But it can take up to 30 minutes to retrieve the recall status for all recipients. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.